Hi guys, for the second above, we are asked to find V, I, which is the supply current, I1, which is the current that flows through of R1, and I3. And we are given I2 as 3 amps, but we are not given V, but all the value of the resistors are given. So how can we be able to find the supply voltage, which is V? Remember, we can only find the supply voltage, which is the V, from this word resistor R2, which we are given the current and resistance value, so that from Ohm's law, V can now equals to what? I arrow. V can now equals to I arrow, so that V will now equals to I is 3 amps multiplied by what? The resistance value of R2, which is what? 20 ohms. So 3 times 20 is 60 volt. So therefore, this is what? The circuit voltage supply. Is the voltage supply of the whole circuit, because in a parallel circuit, voltage is the same. And also, we are also asked to find I, which is the supply current. How can we be able to know I? We know that from Ohm's law that I is equals to V or our what? The total resistance. So for us to solve for I, which is the supply current, we must first of all know the total resistance of this network, since we know the value of V. So that the total resistance of this network will be 1 all over ROT, which is equals to 1 all over 10 plus 1 all over 20 plus 1 all over 60. So at this point, let us solve the right hand side. We have that the LCM here is 60, and 10 will go into 60 how many times? Is 6 times, and 6 times 1 is 6, plus 20 will go into 60 how many times? Is 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 60 will go into 60 how many times? Is 1 times, and 1 times 1 is 1. So we have that 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have that 10 all over 60. And because this is a parallel circuit, for us to find the total resistance here, we will take the reciprocal, which we will invert the word. This right hand side, we take the reciprocal of the right hand side, which we will have that ROT will equals to 60 all over 10, which means we will interchange the value of the numerator and the denominator, so that at this point 0 will take away 0, and 6 divided by 1 is 6. So ROT, which is total resistance, is equals to 6 ohms. At this point, since we have solved for the total resistance, we can now know the supply current of the world network, which is I, which we are asked to find. So I now will now equals to V all over ROT, so that V is 60 divided by ROT is 6. So therefore I will now equals to 60. 6 will go into 60 how many times? Is 10 times, which is 10 amps. So here the resist current here is 10 amps, and the voltage here, which is supply voltage, was 60 volts. Okay, let us solve for what? I1, which is the current that flows through what? This 10 ohms resistor. So therefore, using Ohm's law, I1 will equals to V over what? R1, which will give us the voltage, which we solve is 60 divided by the resistance value of resistor R1, which is 10. So 0 will take away 0. 6 divided by 1, I1 is equals to 6 amps. That is for what? I1, which means here will be what? 6 amps. So for I3, using Ohm's law, which states that I is equals to V over, which is I3 equals to V over what? R3. and we have that V is 60 all over the resistance value of resistor R03, which is 60 ohms, and 60 we take away 60, which will give us 1 ohms, 1 amps, 1 amps. So therefore I3 is equals to 1 amps. So that is the answer. Bye. Do well to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.